Welcome back to Mad World News. Our top news story today is underwear. A group of protesters in the UK were seen holding a sign that said, "Boris is a liar," with a picture of some underwear on fire. Why? In other news, I lost my voice. So why? Why is there a picture of some underwear on fire? Well, it's because in English, we have a rhyme, a children's rhyme that goes like this. Liar, liar, pants on fire. Liar, liar, pants on fire. We say this when someone is caught lying. If you have been caught lying, I can say liar, liar, pants on fire. It's a children's rhyme, right? Now, pants. In the UK, these are pants, right? But in Canada and the US, these over here are pants, all right? Pants, pants. One word for two different things, depending on which culture, which kind of English you're in, okay? UK, pants, and Canada, US, these are pants. Now, in the UK, they call these trousers. Trousers. Okay, so next time you hear a politician lying, you can say, liar, liar, pants on fire. Thank you for tuning in today, and I will see you over in the next episode of Mad World News.